So again, our inequality is absolute value of x minus 2.5 is less than or equal to 0.05. Right? And as we learned in the absolute value inequality videos, all right, again, I might do it a little different way. This is the way I go about it. I write my two equations. Okay, I just always do. And first I just take the bars away, giving me x minus 2.5 is less than or equal to 0.05. And I have my other equation, okay, x minus 2.5, okay, my negative equation. So on the negative equation, I have to flip the sign, greater than or equal to negative 0.05, okay. Again, that's very much like starting out with a compound inequality, which I'll do it that way here in just a second. But anyways, here I go. I'm going to add 2.5 to both sides, and I get x is less than or equal to, all right, 2.55. All right. Here I'll add 2.5 to both sides, and I get x is greater than or equal to 2.45. All right, and now since this is a less than, correct, right? Less than, we're going to use an and, we're going to use a compound inequality. So we take the lowest, right? 2.45 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 2.55. So in terms of the question, in terms of the problem, any bar in between those two values or equaling those two variables would be eligible, or would be an allowable rod. There you go. All right. In the video, we start out with a compound inequality, and I'll do the next one that way. So let's check out the next one. Candy manufacturer puts 240 pieces of candy into each bag. All right, the bag can be off by 8 pieces. Write an absolute value inequality that displays the acceptable amount of candy pieces that can be in a bag. Okay, so 240 is going to be our average or ideal amount. You know, you could say ideal. Some people do. But anyways, so that will be our sheets. That will be our mu, right? X minus 240. Okay, our allowable error, right? Our allowable error is 8 pieces off. Okay, so that's it. Right? A pretty standard way to write these equations and inequalities. All right, so I'm going to put this in the middle, right? Then I'm going to put 8 on each side, right? I'm going to use less than or equal to on both. Okay, then I'm going to add 240 to all. Right, add 240 to all. Oops, 250, 240. And add 240. Okay, of course this cancels. Negative 8 plus 240, 232, less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 8 plus 240 is 248. All right, I'm going to pause real quick to see where I'm at. Okay, plenty of time left. All right, so last example, I've added both here. So we have a maximum and minimum question and a range question. All right. So your personal trainer tells you that your weight loss should be 40 pounds, give or take 5 pounds to win a free training session. Write an equation to find the least and the most amount of weight you can lose to still be eligible, right? And then write an inequality that models our weight loss goal. Okay, so we're going to have one of these. And we're going to have one of these. Okay. Right. Same formula. Okay. This, remember, is just maximum minimum. Okay. This one is for the range. All right. So maximum minimum. Okay. First, our target, our average. Okay. Our mu. Okay. Is going to be 40. Okay. And our sigma is going to be 5, right? That's our give or take. Okay, and over here with the inequality, it's exactly the same, just using the less than or equal to. Oops, I'll put 5 there. All right, and now solving, oops, and I need to put 40 there. All right, so solving two equations, positive right, solve plus 40, solve plus 40. So x equals 45 is our max, plus 40 plus 40. X equals 35 is our min. All right, and without having to do any extra work, I could say that 35 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 45, right? My min is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to my max. All right, so basically, once you get the rhythm of this formula down, okay, and can identify it in the word problems, it's a pretty easy substitution into the equations and inequalities, and then you just solve as you learned how to do. All right, that's all I've got for you today. Hope everything made sense. Definitely ask your teacher if it didn't, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.